Hello, in this video we are going to look at data hiding, which is a pretty cool thing, and it's very similar to what we've just done here. So what I'm going to do is simplify most of this. So let me get rid of most of this. We don't really need this anymore. We can get rid of the child class that we inherited. Don't care about the constructor anymore. Get rid of this overloaded method. Heck, we're going to get rid of that. So really, this is all that we need so far, and it would be like so. Okay, so if in here I create a new vehicle, so if I call it car1 equals vehicle, and I pass in a parameter 5, and I do print car1 dot speed, run this. Okay, where's the error? That's fine, we can leave it like that. Oh, don't know why I did that, sorry. So yeah, if I were to run this, we get 5 printed out. So what we can do is hide our attribute so it's not directly visible to any outsiders. So to do that, you just put double underscore. You can make sure you change it here as well, because otherwise this self dot just creates another variable. And as you can see, this is moaning now. We'll try and run it. It says no attribute because this is double underscore. Now we might be thinking, what if I just put 2 underscores here? Run that. It's still going to moan because it says it has no attribute because it's hidden. But now it's a warning because it's saying if I'm trying to access a protected member, and if you've done public, protected, private variables in other languages, then you'll feel right at home here. If not public, accessible by inside and outside, protected, only accessible by itself and children, and private, only accessible by itself in terms of attributes. So this doesn't work anymore. If you wanted to, I'll comment that out. If you wanted to really use it, you could do this. So you could do car1 or the instance object dot underscore vehicle, so the name of your class, which is vehicle, so underscore name of your class dot underscore speed, and now let's run this so we can access it this way. So it's saying instance of vehicle has no, that's fine, that's just the ID, access to a protected member. Generally speaking, you shouldn't be doing this. You should use getters and setters to essentially set your speed and to actually get variables. So honestly, that's the best route to go down, but just wanted to show data hiding and how to use it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.